Don't you think the outside community will be interested to know what is happening within the business community? Of course. Yes. At the same time, any business needs to promote its services to catch public attention. For both of them, the press release holds the answer. The way it is going to influence the audience depends on various factors. Simple terminology, effective language, and quality content are some of them that play a huge role. Press release for business. Press releases help business promote their services. This being a significant one, let us explore some more information on when to write a press release and how is it useful. Initiating a new business. The public is waiting to grab the best from the existing market. New businesses have been emerging to create a mark in the market. A press release about the business launch helps gain the media attention and thereby reaches the public. Launch of new product. The one that long lasts and renders quality services is generally desired by the public. So, a press release can be written depicting the new products, their features, and advantages. This enables the public to use your product and experience it. Organizing an event. A press release showcasing an event organization is likely to catch public attention about the upcoming event. The event serves as a platform to exhibit the things for which it is intended. Growing businesses. A press release on business expansion or a launch of a new division is likely to attract the nearby located people to make use of it. Applause or awards. Quality, price, stock, and maintenance are some factors that usually rate any business. Above it, any applause, rewards, or recognition rendered by any national or international system increases the brand reputation and increases sales. Reaching targets. Reaching targets is a joy for any business. A press release serves as a source to enrich this joy and share it with the public. In this way, the public would get familiar with the efficiency of the businesses. Launching a new website. Customer might be using a specific website of a business. A new and compelling website launch would be a sure interest of the customers. Participate in donating. Organizations willing to contribute financially to a social cause can surely come forward with a press release. A press release denoting such a cause is welcoming as the public will gain attention and appreciate this side of the business. Share ideas. Press release surely votes for any conferences planned to share ideas and knowledge about any topic. It could be about how the technology is growing or the upcoming trends in view of public benefit. Conclusion. Having known when a press release can be written and its uses, it is time to ponder on some technologies that ease some press release activities, such as website launch and donations. AI-built technologies have been influencing people worldwide. The way things are being created using this technology is creating waves and enforcing people towards implementing those strategies in the work culture. Among the list is OCreate, which is a website builder developed to create your website. A huge number of templates help create a customized website. Many more significant features are inbuilt in it to gain the best experience. Similarly, organizations intending to aid a social cause can be efficiently handled with the help of some tools. OBless is one such product developed to make the task easy for the donors and the benefactors. Moreover, the tool keeps track of past and future transactions. Also, it helps schedule any events and prompts for on-time payments. A bill must production.